Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today start access to 8 is on page number 30. We are using following new syllabus Mathematics Oxford for grade 7. So we'll start. First you need to know what is positive integer and what is positive number. What is the difference between these two? Okay, because first question is related to positive integers, positive numbers and negative numbers. When we talk about positive integers, it is simply 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. These are called positive integers. What about the positive numbers? Positive numbers contain two things. Number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number 2, it contains positive numbers like 5 over 7, 0.5, 3 over 2, 0.9, like this. Okay. So positive integers, they don't have 5 over 7, they don't have 3 over 2, they don't have 0.5, they don't have 0.9. Okay. So this is the difference between positive integer and positive numbers. Okay. We'll place S here and S here. Then similarly, if we talk about negative integers, so these contain -1, -2, -3 and so on. These are called negative integers. What about the negative numbers? Like positive numbers, they have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and they have 5 over 7, 0.5, 3 over 2, like this. Okay. Similarly, when we talk about negative numbers, they have both the things. Okay. They contain all the negative integers and they contain like -5 over 7, they contain -1 whole number 1 over 2, they have -4.33, like this. Okay. So there is a difference between positive integers and positive numbers. Similarly, there is a difference between negative integers and negative numbers. So you need to go through this and try to differentiate between these two. You should remember all the times what is the difference between positive integers and positive numbers and what is the difference between negative integers and negative numbers. Now we will be starting with question number 1, which is related to the same topic that we discussed about positive numbers, negative numbers, positive integers, negative integers. So question number 1 is given like this: -0.3, 0, -5 over 7, 4.33, -12, 1,001, -1 whole number 1 over 2, -2017 and 4. Okay, so we need to find out 4 things. The first thing is positive integers. The second thing is negative integers. Third thing is positive numbers. And the fourth thing is negative numbers. So let's start from positive integers. So positive integers have 0, they have 1 triple 0 1, and they have number 4. Okay, so we'll write as 0, 4, 1 triple 0 1. These are positive integers. When we talk about negative integers, we have minus 12, we have minus 2017. That's all. These two are negative integers. Now moving forward to positive numbers, we know that first of all positive numbers, they have positive integers as well. So we'll write again 0, 4, 1 triple 0 1. And what about other positive numbers? We can see 4.33, it is a positive number. Then if we see, so I think there is no other positive number. Okay, so 0, 4, 1 triple 0 1, 4.33. Here we have missed writing one number, that is 1 over 5. After 0 we have 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 will be coming here in positive numbers. Okay, so now we have with us 0, 4, 1 triple 0 1, 4.33 and 1 over 5 as positive numbers. Now talking about the negative numbers, they also contain negative integers. So first of all, write these two. These are also negative numbers. Then we see minus 0.3. This is a negative number. Then we see minus 5 over 7. Then moving forward, we see minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. Okay, so by this way we can say that negative numbers are minus 12, minus 2017, minus 0.3, minus 5 over 7 and minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. Okay, so basically if you know the difference between positive integers and negative integers and the difference between positive numbers and negative numbers, then only you can do all these 4 parts. So the basic requirement to solve this question is that you should have the idea of differentiating between positive integers and negative integers and differentiating between positive numbers and negative numbers.